Hey, what's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to connect the Microsoft 365, which includes Excel, Word, with the Claude. It's gonna be a pretty easy ride, so you guys click on it and wait till the end to get to know about it. The link to the desktop application is also in the description below. One thing that you guys can do is to go to the connector option, go to the add connector. Why is it not working? Hey, hey. Oh my god. Alright, so guys, we're back. Yeah. So just click on add connector option. Over here you will see Microsoft 365 where we can scan, access company SharePoints like 365, which have OneDrive, Outlook, Teams, Microsoft Excel, PPDX, PowerPoint, and Word. Just click on connect and click on continue, and then all you have to do is to authorize it using your Microsoft account, and then you will be able to redirect yourself back to the Claude, and then you will be able to integrate it directly into the Word file and the PPDX file. So what you guys have to do afterwards is to just click on Word, open the Word, and there you will see the Claude integrated already inside the applications. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one.